whispered winds, they tell of tales lost in the mist so pale. Stars above so softly gleam in a world where dreams do sail. Piano notes they weave, a dance where shadows gently breathe. Ghostly whispers fill the air in this calm, reflective sea。一那回路转在这片雾茫茫，又听一人隐隐在水光。醉翁听也在那秋守望，梦里轻轻流淌的时光。Underneath the moon, the weary hearts find quiet noon. Echoes of the past in the mellow twilight's tune. Calm the flowing stream, subtle rhythms in a lulling dream. In this world we softly wait with a timeless serenade。一那回路转在这片雾茫茫，又听一人隐隐在水光。醉翁听也在那秋守望，梦里轻轻流淌的时光。
The city hums beneath our feet. We found a bench where hearts can meet. Lost in thoughts where moments sway. The evening light in leaves of gray. We walk through paths untold, so slow. Our hands entwined in softest glow, bathed in twilight's tender hue, leaves of red in love's debut. 听着昨爱风铃满上为红雨而野花 Whispers brush like autumn leaves. In your eyes I find reprieve. Beyond the rush of noisy nights, we rest where quiet births new sights. In the chill we share the heat, where time and love so gently greet. A sigh escapes the forest song, where dewy end and trees belong. Moments drift like dreams in fall, your touch, the echo that I call. The stars awaken one by one, beneath this canvas we're undone. In silence there's a story told, in every leaf a dream of gold. where shadows dance in silent glow. In dreams we wander far and clear, a journey start where rivers flow. Beneath the endless velvet sky, stars like lanterns in the mist. With every breath a gentle sigh, our hearts in twilight moments kissed. Ever dreaming wide and free, where mountains touch the heavens beam. In the quiet there we see the hidden realms within a dream. A step anew to see above, the higher climbs the soul fulfills. With patience, wisdom, and with love, we soar upon the gentle hills. Whispers through the ancient trees, a melody of time's embrace. In silence hear the secrets freeze, where calm and reflection interlace. Ever dreaming wide and free, where mountains touch the heavens beam. In the quiet there we see the hidden realms within a dream. A step anew to see above, the higher climbs the soul fulfills. With patience, wisdom, and with love, we soar upon the gentle hills. Grass tall birds fly with the warming wind. February skies where peace begins. Willows beside the bank sway with grace. Spring snow dances in this tranquil space. Reflections on the water softly gleam. Gentle whispers woven into dreams. A tapestry of green and golden hues. Nature's common shades of pastel blues. Under skies so wide and silent, we find peace in moments vibrant. Breath of spring, our hearts revive. In this calm we feel alive. Whispers through the branches softly sing. Echoes of the past on gentle wing. Every leaf tells stories from afar. Underneath the twilight's guiding star, horizon melts in amber's glowing light. Turns into a serene night. Candles flicker as the breezes play. Silhouette of dreams in soft array. And silent echoes wrap around our souls. In this canvas of the new and old, like starlight drift above. In this quiet we feel love. Under skies so wide and silent, we find peace in moments vibrant. Breath of spring, our hearts revive. In this calm we feel echoes through the mist. Ancient whispers on the breeze. Heartbeats slow and gentle rhythm. Ease my soul, bring me peace. Piano keys float on the air. Lotus blooms with tender care. Ripples dance in silent motion. Dreams adrift in endly peace.江南南客坐边边恋歌歌，情深时有我无故人歌不尽。Silent words between our hearts. Night sky holds the stars apart. Memories like perfumes linger. Nights like these we treasure. Hands reach out across the stream. Touch the night within a dream. Moonlight's path we follow slowly. Echoes sing a tale so holy. In the space we find our solace. Echoes of the time endless. Gentle waves we through our veins. Breathe the peace it so sustains.
In the twilight's gentle, lonely heron flies blue, glistening waters whisper true. Sky and stream a mirror view. Boats sing beneath the eaves and breeze. Ripples dance in soft lilies. Autumn's breath, a calm space. Nature's song and endless grace. Shadows merge with evening light. Hearts attuned to peaceful night. Serenade of fading sight. Echoes linger pure and bright. Moons ascend a silver high. Cool and calming in evening's bath. Cherished moments hold no wrath. Harmony in nature's math. Silent whispers by the shore. Dusk unfolds with gentle roar. Seamless blend of less and more. Peace that's felt down to the core. Shadows merge with evening light. Hearts attuned to peaceful night. Serenade of fading sight. Echo falls with gentle roar. Seamless blend of less and more. Peace that's felt down to the core.
Beneath the sky where shadows play, whispers echo from far away. Piano tunes that gently sway, guide my mind to yesterday. River flows with tales to tell. In the breeze their secrets dwell. Ambient paths like waves that swell. Life in moments cast its spell. Through the mist of time we'll glide. On the currents let's confide. Subtle beats like hearts inside. In this calm we shall reside. Moonlight paints the tranquil shore. Silent footsteps we explore. Each note lingers evermore, finding peace we've longed for. Stars above in stillness gleam, reflecting on this endless dream. In this night where worlds serene, hearts entwined, or so it seems. Through the mist of time we'll glide. On the currents let's confide. Subtle beats like hearts inside. In this calm we shall reside. Gentle whispers through the nightfall, echoes floating in the moon's call, softly gliding over still lakes. Dreamscapes painting while the heart aches. Stars are frozen in the skyline. Frosty branches weave a fine line. Dewdrops linger in the twilight. Whispers echo in the soft light. Shamoana homie, who you are. Silent echoes from afar. Painted skies in midnight blue. Whispers of a love that's true. Snowflakes on the windowsill rest. Quiet moments in the night's quest. Pulsing rhythms of a heartbeat. Binding souls when shadows meet. Breathing softly with the night breeze. Time itself seems to freeze. Every heartbeat syncs with starlight, infinite embrace in twilight. Shamoana homie, who you are. Silent echoes from afar. Painted Moonlit skies and midnight blue, whispers of a love that's true.